Good morning, everyone. Daniel here with Giant Tracker Trading, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of random day trading. Let's see if we can find a trade of some kind. If there is nothing, we'll just kind of forward through, but if we see a setup happening, we'll grab it. Okay, and so right now it's 10:36 on Thursday, July 14th, and off to the right here where you see my mouse, I've got the S&P 500, a 13 tick bar. So each one of these candlesticks represents 13 trades on the S&P 500 floor. This is where the big boys play right here. So I like to watch this, and then I will trade it using ES. YM is the Dow 30, NQ is the NASDAQ. Don't worry about FAZ. That is an ultra short. So let's just stay with ES, which is the E-mini futures contract of the S&P 500. So what we're going to do right now, we're just going to wait and see if the buyers can mount something. Right now, the sellers are in charge. I have a blog out on my website, drdanieldaves.com or gianttracker.com. That there's a blog out there. If you'll look, it says trading is just like a football game. So who's got the ball? We want to be on the right side because it's clear the trend is your friend. And you want to make sure that you are on the right side of the market. If the trend is down, the sellers have the ball. And that's what's happening right now. Look at this, down, down, down. Well, let's see if the buyers can get the ball, interception, or maybe the sellers run out of downs and the buyers get the ball. If so, we will start doing up, up, up. And that's the first thing we're looking for. I train my students to look for opportunities. So we're just looking, and we don't even have to draw lines or anything. All we have is a 200 moving average. We've got a 50 out there for posterity. We rarely ever use it. But 200 moving average and candlesticks, and then we learn how to look for the giants and see when the giants are overtaking, or other words, when do the giants, let's say the giant boys, the billion-dollar accounts, when do they get the ball and take off running? So that might be happening right here, and we're just going to hang on for a second and look. Let's see if the S&P 500 here shows the buyers getting the ball. Trading is not as hard as people might think it is. I do believe it's very technical, very important technical. Right now, the buyers have just gotten the ball. And so we're going to, look at this thing go crazy. Wow, wow, wow. So we're just going to expect the buyers clearly have the ball, and they're running a touchdown right now. They're going for a touchdown. They're going to try to break this high up here. I don't know if they can do it or not, but just let it hang loose for a second. Hang loose, hang loose. And then let's see if we can get in on their buying, getting the ball. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and, oops, let me see here. Let's just do a market order. I'm just going to buy one E-mini futures contract here in just a second. I need another pull back again. Come on. Pull back. Pull on back. Nope, I might have missed it. Pull back. Come on. So I'm looking over here on the left. I'm looking for this thing to pull back. Give me a nice, just a pull back here, 37.54, something like that, if it will. And we're getting close. Come on. Pull back. That's our system, and it just did, probably for the last time, and I missed it. So there is the trade. This happens very, very fast. In the tick, 144 tick or the 13 tick world, it happens fast. Now I missed that trade. That's okay. Does not matter because more trades to come all day long. They present themselves to us. Okay, so right now their goal is to break new highs. Let's see if they will. And I'm going to go ahead and place an order here. Let me go ahead and see if I can just put in here display price line data. I'm going to, there we go. All right, so now my goal is to make a point or two. So here is, there goes, it can happen very, very fast. Very fast. Let's see if we get a punch up there, and once it breaks a new high, I'm just going to jump out. So, boom. Did it, and as you can see, I just grabbed, let's see, from 37.58 to 37.62. I just grabbed I grabbed 4 points. That's double the daily target for a day trader. I just did double, so I can take tomorrow off with that. You can trade 1 ES contract, you can trade 2, trade 10, trade 20, but each point is worth $50. So as fast as you saw that go, it was a $200 gain on the account. Now it's going crazy. Sometimes it doesn't go crazy like this, but it is just going ape insane, and that's good for day traders. We just love it. Once we saw that the buyers took over, and that's what I have to retrain. If a person's been trading for a while, I have to retrain them. You got to forget everything that you knew that's not working, and then I teach you. But if you haven't ever traded before, it's much easier to learn it. And so that is exactly what we do. We just found that the buyers got the ball, as my blog says out at gianttracker.com. Go look at the blogs and read that. And we saw the buyers got it, and so we just got on on team buyer. And the buyers, boom, took us up, and they're going to run a touchdown here. And as soon as they're done, the sellers will get the ball, and the sellers will take it the other way. How cool is that? This is 144 tick ES and 13 tick S&P. With that, let's call it a day, and we will see you again. I hope this has caught your interest, and trading can be a lifestyle and a career move that will bring another stream of income into your life. See you soon. Thank you.